I threw together this recipe from things I found in my cabinet and was thrilled with the results. See if you like it. Quick rundown of the ingredients. Eggs, of course. Tortillas, Mexican cheese, fresh veggies of your choosing, salt and pepper, enchilada sauce of some kind, chicken broth, salsa verde, and various spices which I never measure. Onion powder, garlic powder, paprika, coriander, garlic salt, and ground cumin. Got black beans, which I need to get on the stove soon. Something sweet, I like syrup. And I've got now 2 packages of regular flavor Jimmy Dean sausage. It's brown and ready to go, and this is for a family of 7. All right, so my sausage is browned and set aside, and then in that same pan, enchilada sauce. Cut this a little bit with some chicken broth, kind of by feel. This sauce will reduce down, and so you want to keep kind of back up handy. Get this on medium, and I'm gonna stir this, and then I'm gonna season it. Ground cumin, according to taste. Garlic salt, coriander. That was paprika, garlic powder, onion powder. Salsa verde. Let this heat and combine and reduce. I am gonna keep tasting it and deciding which of these I need more of. And at a certain point, I'm gonna add a little bit of this sausage just to bring that flavor in as well. Believe it or not, there are times in tasting this when it just feels like I need to take the edge off a little bit, just a little bit of sweetness. As you reduce your mixture, you're looking for a consistency and texture similar to like a sweet and sour sauce. And once you feel like the time is right, you can just crack your eggs directly into this mixture. Salt and pepper to taste. Keep them covered. I like to baste them from time to time just because I feel like more of a cook that way. And then I'm keeping it on medium-low heat, and I'm looking for runny yolks but finished otherwise. You can cook them to your liking. And then when it's time to plate, I like tortillas covered with sour cream and black beans. And then I always like to put a little bit of extra sauce and sausage on my eggs. Finish it off with some fresh veggies and the Mexican cheese. And yes, these are Huevos Rancheros finished the Gringo way. Hope you love them.